Eto na mga ka-big time, debut game ng former teammates sa San Miguel na sila Arwin Santos at Alex Cabagnot sa Basilan.
3, yes! Out to the Twins, here's Cabagnot, umatake! And like you, a tiger to a guy where Santos attacks, layup is good.
Yung aggressiveness, Arwin Santos.
To Arwin for 3, it's good. Agawan sa bola, Tolentino and Santos fighting for it.
Katapat ang Rizal sa pangunguna ni Eric Camson.
Oh, Camson, put back, yes! Camson is open. He launches and hits the 3.
Naging mainit at physical ang game, naging agawang buko at muntik pa magkagulo sa court. Kaya panoodin natin ang full game highlights ng Basilan versus Rizal.
That's a foul.
That's a foul.
Another one. The guy you love to hate, but also the guy you love to love.
For Rizal,
Okay, foul.
31.
Plays on. Gab gets the knee on right there.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Sila and Port Masters and ang dami. You know, this is a star-studded team. Score of Marikina and syempre si Michael Cañete that we saw is what I like about early season matchups. Aluseni now with Jervy, shoots and scores.
Really a patented shot by Jervy.
Labagana.
Assistant, yeah.
And Rich Alvarez.
Rich Alvarez.
Jervy Cruz. Like you, a tiger to a guy wearing blue tonight. Cañete launches the 3. It's good. Ni Keanu Caballero now. It's Jerry Pingoyan. Camson is open. He launches and hits the 3. Gumalaw si Alday.
Nabanggit mo, no, yung aggressiveness ni Eric Camson, Arwin Santos. After 2.
Tolentino fires and scores the 3.
He's kind of like the Ronald Tubin types. Santos with another one. The guy you love to hate, but also the guy you love to love, tulad ng mga ganito. Hindi lang. Ito, off-ball yun eh. Ayun. So sa box out, si M. Tumawak agad sa kanyang leg.
Pingoy gets it back, launches the 3. It's good.
What a smart play by Coco Pingoy.
Taken away by Basilan.
Good
Eman
pass.
Calo on the move, and Eman Calo finishes.
So what a turns into a layup. The impact by Tolentino, big time. That's a foul.
That's a foul, and
On the shot clock. He was looking to pass, pero turnover ngayon. Na-force sila Cañete with a statue of Liberty layup. Reminds me of Chad Alonzo.
Evnes waits for Jervy Cruz. Inside,
Good
there's a
pass.
mismatch to Raba Aluseni.
There is
Cañete has space, and he nails the 3.
good pass.
Basilan, Camson lets it fly. That won't go, and
Ayan.
extra effort from
Yun yung on cue ka.
Was.
Ito na, yung replay. Tulak. Sino ba tinawagan? Kasi
Jervy
may
sa ilalim
tulak.
kay Balagtas.
Oo, may tulak si
Goes baseline, Kaduyak to Arwin for 3. It's good. 19-28. Here's Alday, spins, drops it off to Camson inside the paint. He's fitting like a glove dito sa... Nasa kanila din si ano eh. Alam ko si Adi Santos.
Basilan.
Oo.
Yes.
Foul away from the ball.
Double foul ang tinawag. But that was only one-on-one coverage on the post.
Santos attacks. Layup is good.
Proving us otherwise. Putting the ball on the deck.
For Arwin. Camson sa ilalim using the left hand. Nope. Agawan sa bola, Tolentino and Santos fighting for it. Konting lambingan.
Right? Nauna na yung tawag na jump ball, I believe, between Tolentino and
Alday, nasa gilid, shot fake. Alwin for 3. Gone!
Anong bad shot, bad shot?
Piano launches. No. Comes on. Put back. Yes. Kasi depensa ng Rizal. Comes
That's
on.
a foul.
Bumped
That's a foul.
by Grimaldo.
That's a foul. Time. Basilan got an offensive rebound. Felt like
Oh,
yesterday. But this one doesn't feel like yesterday. Another
20-point lead for Rizal. A steal by Pili. Pili going with the right hand. It's a jump ball. And our security really quick on the scene there.
yeah.
They have been a extra motion there. Titingnan, they'll surely take a look at this one.
Yeah, Pili took a swing from the gangon. Kinanan. No call right there. Got hit on the head. Plays on. Gab gets the rebound right there.
There's a jump ball already. Dito yun. Rebound ni Gab. Pili trying to get a piece of it.
Dito palang pumito na eh. They could. No foul was called. But correct me if I'm wrong, Sidel. This happened about mid last season, wherein even though there's a call, aside from upgrading a call, you could correct the call, or you could, if there was a foul, you could call it.
Turnover. Cañete. May dalawang isip. Puts it in.
Napailing na lang siya.
And Cruz. Balagtas for 3. Good. Gawa niya. Lalo na dito sa liga natin. Alex Cabagnot over Naive.
A much needed.
Oo, grabe yun. Pingoy, 3 is good. Navarro to
Good pass.
Cabagnot. 3, yes. Out just a long 2.
It's been pretty much one and done on the offense.
Oh.
One and done sa depensa. One.
Cabagnot to Calo. Cruz on the extra pass. Good. Pingoy, shot fake. Balik kay Naive. Launches the 3. It's good.
Right now, Sinaf.
Lead for Rizal
Offensive foul.
from as high as 31.
They might take a look at this since it's all. Ayan, no? See, these are, to me, this should be reviewable.
Pero
That pass.
Balagtas, Pili, 3, good.
And that's the reason why it was a good pass.
CJ Perez and the Marcelino twins. Here's Cabagnot, umatake, and he uses his strength there. The crossover from Naive, Cañete, the extra pass to Alday. And,
Love the action.
yeah,
Love the action.
the outfitter of the MPBL, Viernes, launches a 3.
Off left.
Short, Santos with the putback.
Specialty of the house.
And this, here's Mahari.
That's a charge. That's a charge. It's a block.
Blocking foul.
You know, but to me, that's a charge right there. If that's not a charge, I don't know what binato pa ng bola. Oh, yun pabigito. Yan yung pinati. Corner.
Cabagnot to Santos for 2. And only a 13-point game here. Kaduyak to Santos, 2 points. 15 in the game for Arwin. Kaduyak attacks. Layup is good.
10-point game. Because we talked about them executing, having supreme effort. Effort supreme, execution supreme. The amount of work.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!